Okay, today we are in the city of Fort Worth, Texas. So let's get ready to work. Let's plug in my cutting machine, making sure that we are preparing so we can make a key copy for a Ford F-150. I'm gonna be using today my MK100. This should be sufficient. It's an older vehicle and it's just making a copy of the original key, so it should be easy. Let's plug it in and let it set it up and it be ready. So let's grab the key and now let's decode the key. Let's find out the right key here. This is the right shape. Clamp M5 position A to decode the key. Let's decode the key. Now let's cut the new key. And I'm using, and this is the new source machine, so I have two cutters, one on the left, one on the right. So I use the right side, which is the 2.5 millimeter. So now let's start the programming of the key. Before we start the programming of the key, let's make sure that the actual key turn on the ignition, and it does. So let's do the auto select. And we have a Ford. That's the right VIN. And yes, it's a Ford again. It's an F-150, and this one, let me confirm, I think it is 2013, but let's make sure. Let's look at the door, and yes, January 13, so yes, it's definitely a 2013 F-150. And we have a blade key. That's the right information. Let's do email status. And now, as usual, it's gonna go and scan the whole system. We're gonna clear the codes before we proceed. Codes clear. And now let's go ahead and add the key. Let's press OK. So basically it's telling me that I have to turn on the truck. So let's press OK. Now it's telling me to turn off the ignition and turn on the switch. Let's press OK. Let's press OK again. Press OK, and now it's telling me to remove the program key and insert the key that I would like to program and turn the ignition into the on position. Let's go ahead and now let's press OK, and it's telling me that this process is going to take about 10 minutes. Minutes pass, and then now you see that we have a new key program. Now, everything has been successful. It's asking me if I want to program another key. No. And that's it. The key has been programmed. Let's make sure that it turned on the vehicle. And yeah, it works. The vehicle is on. Now let's go ahead and program the remote. In order to program the remote, you have to unlock the driver's side door and turn the ignition on and off 8 times within 8 seconds. After that, you press the lock button, unlock button, and then you take it out, and that's it. The remote is programmed. You can see the flashes turning on and off, and you can see the lock going up and down. That's how you make a key copy of an F-150 2013. Don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments down below. Stay safe out there, and I will see you on the next one.